Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be going over part 3 of my anatomy tutorial videos, and today we are going to be focusing on the arms and I'm going to teach you how to draw them. So if this sounds interesting, then let's hop into it. Remembering the body proportions is important. That is why in the first thing that I covered in my anatomy series is that it shows all the components that make up the body and its scale in comparison to the entire body. The arm is no exception. In part 1 you saw how many components made up the arm, and I have drawn it here to show that. However, to get an accurate detail arm you need to understand bone structure and what this video will cover, which is the muscle groups that make up the arm. So the important things to remember is how the arm muscle flex and extend. This is done by observing how the arm moves. We can also split the arm into two sections, namely the front, which are the flexors, and the back, namely the extenders. When we pull our wrist inward, we are flexing our forearm muscle. This allows us to pull our hand up or inward. To straighten our hand back down, we activate the extender in the back of the arm. It is a remarkably simple concept, and this applies throughout the whole arm. To pull the hand up and the forearm up, we flex the bicep muscle. To straighten the hand back down and the forearm back down, we activate the upper extender, namely the tricep muscle. Now, to understand the last group of the arm, you need to observe how the arm muscle reacts when you push and pull against something. When we push, we are straightening the arm as a whole. The muscle group being extended in this instance is the chest muscle. When we pull back the arm, like when we are rowing a boat for example, we are flexing. However, the muscle group being flexed is the back muscles. Give it a try and see for yourself. You'll be surprised by how simple the concept really is. And that was the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please subscribe, leave a like, and just leave a comment because I genuinely want to hear what everyone thinks. But that's all from me today. See you next time.